for global variables. And we're gonna see how to, yeah. First we create a division ID banner. In that we just choose your set options, and then within that, after that we create a form directing towards the shipping.php with method post, and within that we create a span of class heading, and we have give the shed type, and another, after that we create a division ID options. After that, division class option details, within option details another class option image, and then after that we give image of the sheds we are image of the shed types we are displaying on our web page. Shed 1, shed 2, shed 3 and shed 4 are the 4 types of sheds that are available on my web page, and the input types I gave them as checkbox. Name I gave as an t-shirt, which is an array, and values are different for each, and spotty white t-shirt, all the prices are also given, and spotty white is my default check value. Then after this, after the division, next I have another division within which I give 3 input type radio buttons. Values are women's shirt or men's, or which clothing item I'm gonna select. After that I close the division. Then after that there's another division with quantity. There I'm gonna choose 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 items. Okay. Then after that there's another span tag within which I give a size of the like shirts, that is either small, medium, large, XL, double XL. I'll select from either one of these. Then after that in another span tag I select whether type of shirt is blue, black or violet, and after that I close this. Last, after the form page I give an input type button submit, and the value I give is next. When we click on the submit button, it is redirected to that shipping.php file which I showed you. Okay, also the CSS file for this is this one. Background images, font style, paddings, all are being set here. Okay, then we have the next page, shipping.php, where here first we are getting the variables what we posted in the previous PHP file. That is, first in the PHP I'll start the session underscore start using this command. Then after that in session underscore t-shirt variable I'm storing the post. From post method I'm getting this t-shirt value from the previous PHP file. Similarly, quantity, size and color and t-type session variables are created. The post of this respective variables are being stored in the session variables. Okay, now in the shipping I create another form and method post and action confirm.php. When I click confirm again submit here, I'll be directed to confirm.php file. Now first in this I created division of class names. First name, here I input the first name of the user who is going to purchase the items, and then after that in the next division I give the last name. Here he is going to input his last name. Then after that in the next division I'm going to give a street address of type text, input type text, placeholder. Then these all are required conditions. Then after the division class, another division I give a class street and input type text. Here I input the address of my street, and then in other class I give a city name. For the city name I give a class called city state. In this I have to select either one of these states, select option values, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Telangana or AP. Any of these 4 values only I have to select. Then after this division I create another division zip phone. Here I give the zip code of my particular area. Then after this I create another division with zip phone. Here I give the phone number of my respective user, and then after this I give my respective email ID in another division. Then at last I give the shipping details, whether the input type of those are radios, and I give whether it's an express delivery or standard delivery. At last submit button to direct to the next PHP file. So similarly CSS file for this also being done, so font size, background image and size are being respectively kept in order to make the page look neat. Okay, and then now we go to the next PHP file, confirm.php. Here again we start a new session, and then we declare the variable shipping cost num, and the ts variable is make it equal to the session of t-shirt which I stored it in the previous PHP file, and I create new two session variables, session of name1 and name2, and I equal them to the values post of first and post of last. And now in the first PHP file, as we declared the number of t-shirts, if you purchase more than one t-shirt, it's going to get stored in the t-shirt type array, and using this for loop we are going to access each and every one, and if it's in which case we are going to calculate the total amount of price it's gonna take to purchase the items. First, for the case sporty white, if it is sporty white, the amount is 580. Similarly for dark blue, 699, like similar. Okay, then after that, according to the post of shipping, if it is express, it is 200. If it's standard, we are going to choose the cost as 50 rupees. And after that, we calculate the total by summing up those both values, shipping price and sum of the t-shirts, and then we print these values in a division in an order. First we print the name of the purchaser, first name and last name in an order, then we print the respective address, zip code, phone number and email id. After that, in the next division we print the item description, quantity and amount of the respective users. If they bought like one shirt, it will display as quantity 1, name and the item name, type and amount, and at last it will print the total amount and the shipping. And if you click on the go back button, it will go back to checking if you want to buy anything other more, or if you click on confirm order, it will direct to the next page, thank you.php. Here the session is started, and after displaying welcome, thank you, waste again, it will display this thing. Now let's go see how the output works. Yeah, this is my banner image, and these are my 4 t-shirts. See, this is my default selected one, and this one I'm selecting. To this one I click nice and directed to the next page, shipping.php. Now as you see, I'm already filled it, so I took autofill. So after filling all these details, when I press continue, I'm directed to confirm.php. Name, address, zip code, phone number, all that displayed in an order, and item displayed in an order, and total is being displayed here. You click confirm order. Everyone, thank you for shopping with us. Yeah, this is a thank you page.